Welcome to a captivating video that will transport you into the enchanting world of storytelling and marketing. In this extraordinary journey, we will dive deep into the art of storytelling and discover how it can breathe life into your marketing campaigns, captivate your audience, and leave a lasting impact. Are you ready to unleash the power of storytelling? Let's embark on this creative adventure together.
Section 1: The Power of Storytelling.
Explore the undeniable power of storytelling and its ability to connect emotionally with your audience. Learn how storytelling goes beyond selling products and services, and instead, creates meaningful connections that inspire and engage. Discover the neuroscience behind storytelling and how it taps into the human brain's natural inclination to process information through narratives. Understand how storytelling activates emotions, builds trust, and enhances brand recall.
Section 2: Crafting Compelling Brand Stories.
Uncover the secrets to crafting compelling brand stories that resonate with your target audience. Learn how to uncover your brand's unique narrative, values, and purpose to create authentic and relatable stories. Explore the essential elements of a great brand story, including relatable characters, engaging plotlines, and memorable moments. Understand how to weave these elements together to create a captivating story that showcases your brand's identity.
Section 3: Storytelling Across Marketing Channels.
Discover how to leverage storytelling across various marketing channels. Explore how storytelling can elevate your social media campaigns, creating immersive experiences that leave a lasting impact on your audience. Unlock the potential of storytelling in video marketing. Learn how to create visually compelling narratives that capture attention, evoke emotions, and effectively convey your brand's message.
Section 4: The Art of Storytelling in Content Marketing.
Delve into the art of storytelling in content marketing. Explore how to infuse storytelling into blog posts, articles, and other forms of content to create engaging and memorable experiences for your audience. Discover how storytelling can transform your email marketing campaigns. Learn how to craft captivating stories that resonate with your subscribers, driving engagement and conversions.
Section 5: Measuring the Impact of Storytelling.
Explore the metrics and analytics used to measure the impact of storytelling. Understand how to track and analyze the effectiveness of your storytelling efforts, enabling you to refine your strategies and optimize results. Get inspired by real-world examples of successful storytelling in marketing. Learn from brands that have mastered the art of storytelling and understand how they have leveraged narratives to create unforgettable experiences.
Congratulations! You have now unlocked the secrets to using storytelling in your marketing campaigns. By harnessing the power of storytelling, you can create authentic connections, engage your audience, and differentiate your brand in a crowded marketplace. Remember, every brand has a story to tell. So, embrace your narrative, captivate your audience, and watch your marketing campaigns come to life. Subscribe now for more captivating content and future updates.